PackOut. All right, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. I might make two videos. What is this? Not that. Okay, not that. I got something else. Stay there. Hold on. All right, here we go. What's this? This is actually quite useless by itself, but I had a friend, not gonna name any names, couple. What's this? These freaking weirdos. All right, so sprayer, bottle, Milwaukee. I happen to like Milwaukee. So this goes on the switch tank, but by itself, it's, well, just a tank. Just in case somebody wants to do anything super crazy, make some labels. Not gonna say names, but my wife. We're gonna put these on here so that somebody doesn't mistake what's in this tank. But let's get to the bread and butter. All right, move all this stuff out of the way. Hey, what are you doing?
Getting a drink.
All right, what's this? The switch tank backpack sprayer. I had a regular sprayer, one of the pump style. My wife messed with that thing forever. There's something wrong with the handle. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure there's something wrong with her handle. I don't think she knows how to use her hand properly. I don't know what. So, I was asked to give this a little test. I am charging the battery, but in here, we've got the Milwaukee M18 backpack sprayer. You can see there, it's a tank, wand, spray handle. It's all part of this tank. When you take this tank out of this space, any chemical that was in it stays in here. So if somebody, not your wife, happens to put weed killer in this, and then you want to spray your yards for, I don't know, ticks or something like that, you don't nuke it. I'm not saying it's happened, but it could. So I got this from a friend. You'll hear from them. And they're like, try this out, see if this helps out with a scenario, possibly something like one that I didn't mention. So I've got two tanks, one backpack, battery access. I've heard these work better with larger batteries. It did come with a 5 ampere battery that I'm charging over there. But there's something in that first box you might have seen that I hear is better for these ones where you're doing the vac or the backpack or any of their garden tools to where you can actually have a little bit more amp power. So I am going to try that out. But for now, you can see how simple it is. 2 latches, goes in, put your battery in. You can see here, this backpack bracket setup looks very similar in my opinion to the vacuum. It's got the waist, which I don't think it's gonna fit around mine, but you know, whatever. I don't really, care about safety in a backpack sprayer. Got the 2 wands here, so I'll set this one up on that one, and this one up on this one. There's a couple photos in some of the press material of them showing these with some of the concrete cutters. I don't have a concrete cutter. I don't cut much concrete, but I guess if I wanted to, that would be pretty neat. But for now, I plan on using it just back and forth between, spraying for weeds or spraying gardens for pests or spraying around the house, things like that. So I'm gonna give this a try, and we're gonna see if this makes it any easier than somebody just sitting there pumping a sprayer. So I'll let you know what I think about it in a little bit. Thanks for watching, and hey, PackOut!